Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Google Calendar to Claude AI. All right, let's begin. First, make sure you are signed into your Claude AI account. Then click on your profile icon and go to Settings. From there, navigate to the Connectors section. You may already see Google Calendar listed there, but if not, click on Browse Connectors and search for Google Calendar manually. Next, click on Connect next to Google Calendar. A new window will open where you need to choose the Google account you want to connect. After selecting your account, click Continue. Now, review the permissions Claude AI is requesting. These permissions may include viewing calendar events, accessing shared calendars, and creating or editing events. Once you review everything, click Continue, again to complete the setup. After the connection is complete, you should see a Configure button next to Google Calendar. This section allows you to manage permissions and decide what Claude AI can access or modify in your calendar. To test the integration, open a new chat and use the calendar option available inside Claude AI. So that's basically how you can connect Google Calendar to Claude AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.